So real quick, I used the app on my phone to till the soil. The app. It's an app. It's an application. Right? To till the soil for my radical solution to climate change, which is to embrace it and to plant oranges because they give free seeds, and why wouldn't I? Also, there was a scientific paper about how the composition of the soil will microbiology will change to suit what's in it, kind of thing. And it's all about how can we reduce carbon, which was bullshit. So how should we produce more food by growing orange trees in the north? Because climate change is great, and that's it. There's no short. That was it.